So we're back again with our lovely piece of tank that we're weathering and highlighting and shading. So we've done the greens, we've done the khaki, now we're going to move on to some more battle damage. So to do this, instead of using paints, I've recently learned a new technique, which is I use a pencil. So you might have seen this before, but it's fairly simple. All you do is just get the edge and just draw along the edge, a bit like when you're highlighting a model. Just use the edge of the pencil. You have to excuse me, I'm just doing this one-handed again, and just draw some battle damage onto it like so. Hopefully that'll come into focus, and we'll continue that over the model and we'll come back shortly. Okay, and there you have it, battle damage on, and we're pretty much there with this piece now. Not much more to show you. I think the only thing that I will do next week is this part here. I don't know if you can see that, just there. We'll paint that as a little gem, just to show you how I do gems and lights and things like that. Okay, so until next time, hope you enjoyed. Oh, also, if you have any suggestions on something you need help with, on how I'd paint something, then feel free just to drop a comment in the box below, and I'll have a look and I'll try and do them for you. Okay, cheers. Bye.